In today's video, we're going to explore some of the best dog training apps for Android. Whether you have a new puppy or an older dog in need of some training, these apps are designed to make the process easier and more effective. Join us as we take a look at 3 fantastic options that can help you train your furry friend like a pro. Dog training app GoDog. GoDog is a comprehensive dog training app designed to help pet owners train their dogs effectively. It offers a variety of training courses, covering essential commands and behaviors such as sit, stay, heel, and more. The app features step-by-step instructions, video tutorials, and progress tracking tools to help users monitor their dog's development. With a library of tips and tricks, GoDog caters to both puppies and adult dogs, making it a versatile choice for dog owners looking to improve their pet's behavior and obedience. Dogo Puppy and Dog Training. Dogo is a highly rated dog training app that provides users with personalized training plans tailored to their dog's specific needs and skill level. The app includes a vast library of training tutorials, featuring video demonstrations and detailed descriptions of various commands and tricks. Dogo also encourages positive reinforcement training methods, helping owners bond with their dogs. Additionally, the app offers a community feature where users can share their training progress, tips, and experiences with other dog owners. It's a great resource for those looking to train their puppies or enhance their adult dog skills. Dog Whistle V Training. Dog Whistle V Training is a unique app that combines a variety of training tools with the use of sound. It includes a dog whistle feature that can be customized to emit sounds at different frequencies, allowing pet owners to communicate with their dogs during training sessions. The app also offers a selection of training commands and strategies that can help reinforce good behavior. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it appealing for users seeking a straightforward approach to dog training. The combination of sound and guidance helps improve communication between owners and their pets. Thank you for watching our review of the best dog training apps available for Android. We hope you found this information helpful in finding the right app to improve your dog's obedience and behavior. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.